Happy Friday, that is right. And today we are going to be unboxing this Drew Mcintyre Rick Rude build a figure. That is right, so here we go. It comes with the torso legs and briefcase. As you can see right here, it comes with the briefcase and the torso legs. And there's a picture of Drew McIntyre before we get this open. So here we go. Look at the background job of Survivor Series. The first interchangeable hand is out for Drew McIntyre. The second changeable hand is out for Drew McIntyre. The leg is out. The briefcase is out. Pretty cool. Now it's time to take out Drew McIntyre. Now it is time. Drew McIntyre is out now. Pretty cool and amazing. We like it a lot. This Drew McIntyre figure is so amazing. The debut of Drew McIntyre figure they ever made of. An elite figure of this one I ever did a lot. The ring gear is amazing. The cloth, everything is good. So that's about it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this unboxing of Drew McIntyre. Hope you all enjoyed it here on this Friday video, guys. And guys, once again, Please like the video, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you. Happy Friday. Enjoy your Friday too, guys.